Hi class. Okay, so we are going to read through today our news to you current event article. And then after that, we'll go through the comprehension activities that y'all are going to have to do for an assignment tomorrow. And we'll go through them so you know exactly what to do. So let's get reading. This week's current event article is called Greta Thunberg and Earth. People celebrate protecting Earth on Earth Day, 22nd. Hey guys, Earth Day is today. I did not realize that until after I did calendar time this morning, or else I would have put a special day for today, a little picture of Earth Day, so we can change that tomorrow during calendar time. All right, let's see what else our article said. Greta Thunberg wants to protect Earth. Greta was born in Sweden and she has autism, like some of our friends have autism. Greta gives speeches about climate change. Climate is the usual weather in a place. Climate change could be dangerous for Earth. Greta Thunberg has ideas to protect Earth. She thinks everyone can help. Protecting Earth is important to Greta. And it should be important to us too, right? Let's see if it tells us ways that we can help protect the Earth. All right. Well, it didn't. So we'll just talk about some ways to protect the Earth. One of the things that we can do that we've talked about several times is recycling. Remember, we had talked about recycling. Recycling is when you take something old or something that someone would consider trash and you reuse it. Recycle means to reuse something. So you could reuse lots of things to make other things like arts and crafts or, just whatever you want to use them for. We can also recycle paper and plastic and tin cans and all sorts of things so that there is not so much garbage in the earth. All right, so let's look at our recipe for today. Oh, Swedish meatballs. I think that's in honor of Miss Greta, who was born in Sweden. Swedish meatballs are actually really good. Miss Pepper's had them before. Let me know if anybody tries to do our recipe here, because you'll have the recipe once you have this video, and let me know if you decide to try some. Maybe Miss Pepper will make it for dinner and I'll have to tell you how it turned out. All right. This is just more of the directions to do the recipe. And a lot of times when you make Swedish meatballs, you serve them over noodles, like egg noodles. It's really good. All right, here's our joke. It's our favorite part, our joke. Knock, knock. Who's there? Place. Place who? Place help protect Earth. They were trying to say, please help protect Earth, right? Ha ha. All right, and we should have one more joke. I have a joke. Tell me, how does the rain tie a shoe? How does the rain tie a shoe? I don't know how. With a rainbow. Get it? That was actually a good one. I like that one. All right, so here is our first assignment, and this will be with the little circles that you have to drag and circle things that have to do with our article this week. So let's see, was a soldier in our article or climate change? Climate change was. Yes, it was. In there, and let's see what else. So did it finally circle it? Okay.
Climate change.
Yes, see how it's green? It's still, there it goes. My goodness, that's delayed. All right, let's see what else was in there. Oh, Earth. Was planet Earth in our article today? Yes, it was. So let's go ahead and click on planet Earth and see if it doesn't take quite as long.
Earth.
Nice. Okay, now look at these last three. Was important or sleep in our article today? Do you remember anything about sleep today? No, I don't think so. I think important was in there. It's very important to take care of the earth.
Important.
Yep, it's green. Yep, there it goes. And protect. So those are our 4 choices that you're going to make after you rewatch this video, and then I give you the assignment tomorrow. You will do the assignment, do the four different pictures. All right, let's see. And these are our 3 questions. This will be the other thing that you're going to do for your assignment. What is the paper about? Was it about coronavirus, Stress Awareness Month, or Greta Thunberg and Earth? It was about Greta Thunberg and Earth.
Greta Thunberg and Earth.
And apparently Miss Pepper was saying her name wrong the entire time. It is Thunberg, I think is the way they said it. So not Thunberg, it's Thunberg. I don't speak Swedish. All right, who gives speeches about climate change? Abraham Lincoln, Aretha Franklin, or Greta Thunberg? We're going to go with Greta. Let's see.
Greta Thunberg.
That's right. And do you remember where she was born? Remember the meatballs that were in here for our weekly recipe? It has the first name of it was where she was born, where she's from. Was it Ecuador, Israel, or Sweden? It was Sweden.
Sweden.
There we go. Okay. So there is your 2 assignments that are going to be due tomorrow, are going to be put for you to do, and everything is just due by Friday. So I hope you enjoyed our current event article this week, and I will see you again soon. Bye, friends.